Okay. Bloopers now aside, we are going to try to retest fire. First, with this. Fire's good. Fire's only with one. I only put one in there. So that's done. I know that this works. And then my favorite. I have a new one, but I'm not going to show it just yet. First, the shotgun. We all know how it sounds. Now, for the new one that I have in my Nerf arsenal, we already know there's no mag in it. But it's not of that nature that I want you to hear what's wrong with it. Besides there not being any magazine in here. That's an obvious one. Don't. Just listen. Listen carefully. And if you can hear, tell me what's wrong with this. Besides it being super crunchy. I mean, listen to it closely. I'm going to pull the bolt. It's bolt action. You hear it? Gonna do it now. Seriously. Any Nerf fans out there who knows what is wrong with this type of sound? That was just tell me in the comments section below, what do you think this sound means? You listen to it once, you listen to it twice, you listen to it more than once. Please tell me in the comment section down below, besides me not having a magazine inside this thing, that's a given. Don't say that. Don't say in the, oh, you don't have a mag. No, duh. Hello.